me a kiss. Okay.
Mystery.
Mystery mini mashup.
Woohoo! Yeah, that. Let's do that. Let's do that. We've got 20 different mystery minis to look at today. Let's get going and have some fun. Let's go. Woo!
I can do this all day. Yeah, I know. I know.
Welcome as always to another episode of Sunshine Toys and Collectibles. I am Brian.
And Julie.
And we appreciate you as always for checking in. What we got today is one of Julie's favorites. What do we got, babe?
We have a mystery mini mashup.
Woohoo! And what's that mean exactly? We have 5 different mystery minis that we're going to take a look at today. Some we've done before, some that are brand new to us. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get going. So let's get going and have some fun with some mystery minis. Let's get going. All right, let's get going. Which one do you want to start with first?
Well, I've got the Toy Story right in front of me, so I think we should go ahead and start with Toy Story.
All right, now are those Toy Story OG
Let's
or
start
those
with
Toy
our
Story?
Toy Story OG.
All right,
Give
now.
you one, I'll take one.
All right.
So I've got Toy Story 1 bag clips.
All right.
You know, Julie wasn't a big fan of it first, but now I'm going to like them.
Yeah, they're very cute.
Yay!
Nice.
First pull, Mr. Potato Head. One of my favorites. I absolutely love everything they're doing with Potato Heads. I love the different ones they're doing. They love the marble ones that they're doing.
Right,
I mean,
those are cool. We got the Cap Tater Head. He's awesome.
I love
Got
the
a couple
mini
of-
potato heads. I
Yep,
just love
Toy Story Tater Heads we have.
Potato
Great.
heads.
So that's a great
He
find.
has an awesome one. And look at,
Off to a
we'll
fantastic
do
start.
a close up of him because his face is pretty awesome.
I'll let you open that one too.
Oh, yeah. You got another Bullseye. Bullseye's also, I mean, he's just, I don't know if there's a Toy Story character I don't like. They're all just so,
Right.
they're so awesome.
And he's very, very cute. He's
Very
very cute. We'll let's see if I can get that up there a little bit better for you there. Very, very cute. And they are bag clips. You hook them on your backpacks or whatever, but we don't do that. We've got small cabinets behind us for our little small collections that each of us have. And
our smalls are probably some of my favorites.
absolutely.
They're
Absolutely.
and then, okay, here we got number 3, Toy Story. Jessie.
Jessie, nice.
Jessie.
All
Very
right.
cute, Jessie. So that's our Toy Story 3. We're moving on to Toy Story 4.
No, those are Toy Story 1s.
Oh, Toy
the
Story 1s,
original,
sorry.
yeah, the original. But we got 3 that we obviously didn't have. So,
I didn't have
doing
any of the
awesome.
Toy Story original ones.
Doing awesome on those. On these here, we have not opened these before. Toy
If you
Story
watched
4.
any of our videos, you know, Toy Story 4 is probably, I mean, I love them all, but it's probably my favorite.
Really?
I love, oh, yay! Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah, you got Woody with
Forky.
Forky. He is a new character in Toy Story 4 and one of Mama's favorites. If you've seen our last video, we did the alphabet challenge, and Forky made his appearance in that one. So Julie wanted to make sure that we got Forky in there. So That's a very, very cute one. So we got 4 that we did not have. Doing awesome on those so far.
These are fun.
These are kind of fun, I'll admit. Let me grab another one. Those are all empty bags over here.
As usual, I'm like slow to the uptake on some of this stuff, but once we get them, you know.
Well, you know, it's not something that we, like we said before, that we normally collect. Oh, we got a duplicate.
A duplicate.
Okay.
Woody and Forky.
So very cute.
Yes,
very cute. So we will maybe stick him in upcoming mystery box, right?
Yeah.
All right, so last one. Nice. We got a Buzz Light Bear. Nice, look at that.
Oh, he's a flying Buzz.
He's got his backpack, wings out to infinity and beyond. Very nice. So, 4 out of what? 5 out of 6? Yeah, 5 out of 6, right? So very good on those. Very happy. And some new additions to Mama's mini collection.
Yay.
So, what do you want to do next, my love?
We should go, maybe we should do the Falcon and Winter Soldier bag clips.
While we're doing the bag clips? Okay, don't know what we got. 4 of those. You pick your 2. Okay. Ooh, this one got a little more movement in it than this one. See that?
This one feels a little heavy.
Yeah, okay.
What do we need? We need
exclusive B.
We need the Captain America.
Sam Wilson, Captain America.
We need a Sam Wilson.
We need Sam Wilson and is that Aya?
Is that Aya or Ava?
That
Let me
one.
get on my
Right there. I need that one.
my glasses here because I can't.
You get on your glasses. I'm gonna open one.
Aya. A-Y-A.
A-Y-A. I'll go with the one that does not rattle first. Okay. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button. I think it's over here. Make sure you leave us a comment. Let us know what you saw in the video. If there was anything in particular, make sure you tell us in the comments. And last but not least,
subscribe.
Hit that subscribe bell, turn on all notifications, and you'll know when you got new content coming from Sunshine Toys. Now,
we love it when you comment on the videos.
Love it.
Love it.
Love it.
Is that the exclusive? We got exclusive B?
That is
or is that the regular
exclusive
Falcon?
B.
No, it's exclusive B with a shield. Woohoo!
Nice.
Yay!
Huh?
Alright, good job.
Nice. One I needed for sure. That will go in the small shelf for sure.
Yay!
Let's keep it going. We're doing all right. We only got 1 duplicate out of all of them that we've opened so far. So let's keep that up.
Oh, look at that. We got a second exclusive duplicate.
Wow.
That is
what are the odds
awesome.
of that? 2
Awesome.
of the exclusive Bs. They don't tell you what it is, but you can kind of tell what it is.
Right.
It's got the wings and it's got the shield. So 2 exclusive Bs. Nice. Good job. Good job. Maybe we'll save that one for Justin.
I was thinking about Justin as soon as I opened that.
Justin, let me know if you got that one, dude. Last 2. This one's got a little rattle to it, little movement. What do you think? You first, me first?
You go first.
All right, we are opening the Falcon Winter Soldier Collector bag clips. We have 4 of them in this episode. We are down to the last 2. So far, we've got 2 exclusive Bs. So, as much as I love getting exclusives, let's get some other ones.
Right? Let's go to Sam Wilson.
Sam Wilson.
Oh, yay! Sam Wilson, look at that.
Nice.
Man,
see? Good job. You see that? Sam Wilson. I'm working on the lighting situation.
So we got one more. We need a Captain America.
Oh, man. Good job. So, these are the 2 that we got so far. Down to the last one.
I didn't look. I'm not looking. No, we got a Zemo.
Oh.
Another Zemo.
Okay, we got Zemo already, but
Still, what an awesome Awesome
Man,
job.
did awesome on those. Okay, now what next? What do you want to do next?
Let's save potato heads for last. Let's go to Civil Wars.
Okay.
Civil Wars. Best
All
for
right.
last, potato heads. So,
Same thing. Let me mix them up. We got 4 of the Civil War bobbleheads. Again, these were Five Below finds. These were $2.99 a piece. Awesome to find them.
Right.
Just happy to have them.
I was kind of happy that they didn't have the, like when we went for the office ones, when they had the open box, you knew what you were getting. These are kind of more fun.
Absolutely.
There's more fun in a mystery mini than the
'Cause-
mystery.
Yeah, people take all the good ones and leave all the junk, and that's no fun. So
Of course, we did luck out and
we found some good
we found
ones.
some good ones
Yeah,
for
yeah.
to finish our office collection.
Yep. But I'm looking for that captain. I'm still looking for that captain. I've got the Winter Soldier. I've got the Falcon. I've got the Vision. I have an Agent 13 with her head falling off.
That was a good one.
I forget which other ones we have. Maybe Ant-Man.
I don't know
So,
if we got Ant-Man. Did we get
I
Ant-Man?
think so. Either way, check our last couple of videos. It's
A
in there.
Falcon would be cool.
I think we have the Falcon. He's up there behind us. Yep. Up there behind us in front of the new Falcon Winter Soldier shield. Thank you very much. All right,
Okay.
you in?
I'm in. I'm going.
All right.
First one going. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
You're in first. You first.
Oh! Oh, we got a Vision. He's pretty cool.
He's very cool. Very cool.
Follow ahead, of course. Follow. We got a Vision. We did not have the Vision, correct?
I think we.
I think we have a Vision.
Sure, I kind of fell over.
Vision is.
He may have
athlete.
vision, but he does not have balance. Apparently.
There he does.
There we go.
I do just love that these are all bobbleheads.
Right, for sure.
So-
Some of our favorites.
Still, I mean, if I'd known that these were with a Toy Story, which they don't have them in stores anymore, we've left. But the Toy Story mystery minis, oh my god, love to have some of those.
Right, absolutely.
Anyone has anyone laying around who wants to send them our way?
Oh, we got a Black
Widow.
Widow. No, we don't have that
No?
one. So that's a different one. That's a different one. And the new movie's coming out next month, so make sure you check out that. It's gonna be, I think, on Disney Plus.
I think Vision was a new one for us.
Either way, okay. So we're two for two on those. We're doing awesome
I
on
think
these.
so.
So.
It's been a pretty good night, mystery mini wise.
Yeah. Hope you're enjoying it. If you are, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you leave us a comment and tell us exactly what you saw.
What's not to love about a mystery mini?
I agree. I think it's fun.
I think it's
I think they're fun.
alright. Sorry. I'll
Stop,
quit
yeah,
talking.
stop talking. Open.
Let me open another mystery mini. Civil War mystery mini number 3. Iron Man.
Definitely did not have Iron Man.
He's pretty cute.
Yes, very cute. He's pretty cute.
He's pretty cute.
Now, while those are all great, and while they're all the ones that we didn't have before, they're not the captain, and that's one we're looking for, right? Captain. I mean, you see it. It's everywhere. I want the captain, so this is the last one, and hopefully he's in this box, right?
Right.
All right, so let's try it.
You feeling it?
I don't know. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? Here we go.
Yay! Awesome.
Yeah, there he is. How do you like me now, huh? That's the one I'm looking for, and that's the one we got. Last box, the Captain America Civil War
Right.
Mystery Minis.
What an awesome mystery mini
So
night.
far,
It's
we're
been-
doing pretty awesome. That is for sure. Now,
That's so cool.
let's see if we can keep
Potato
this
heads.
going. Mama's
Potato
one that she's been looking forward
I've been
to
so-
the most.
We've
out
actually
of
had
these.
these for like 4 weeks. It's been a
It's
minute.
been
We've
a
had
while.
these sitting here, and I've been waiting.
Pardon my top of my head while we open this.
I've been trying to fight myself from opening one to wait till we do it on video because I've been so excited.
Well,
to
here we
see
are.
What these things look like.
Here we are.
So,
You
trying,
open.
I've got a. It's like peeling a real potato here. Literally, he's coming off like in a peel.
Now there you go. These are the Potato Head Tots Mystery Minis. Something brand new for us here at Sunshine Toys, and hopefully
Come on, buddy.
you guys enjoy them as much as we do. If we can get them open.
Okay, so
All right,
now,
I got the next one open for you.
how do you get it open to get the stuff inside?
They open like a potato.
Okay, there's
Okay.
green and white. Oh my god, it looks like a Rex. Is it?
I don't know. You have
Yeah,
to.
it looks like a
You have to
freaking.
put them together. So while she puts one together,
He's gonna put the next one.
I'm going to open the next one.
These are so cool. Okay, it's not a Rex. He's got little dinosaur legs. Oh my gosh, how
Hang on, there's
cute
destructions.
are these?
There's destructions with it.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. These are the Mr. Potato Head Tots. And on the back,
Oh, I put them on backwards.
they've got the destructions.
Put them together backwards.
There you go.
Make sure his feet are going the right. Oh, how cute is he though? Okay, so we got him together now. It's like a little monster potato head. Look at his little face.
Show.
We're gonna do a close-up of this one again. Oh, these are awesome so far. One open, and I am not disappointed.
All right.
Let's see if I can get this one. What are we opening up there? Mystery ones. We're opening up some Mr. Potato Head Tots that we found at Five Below.
That looks like a poop. Is that a poop? What is it?
I'm not quite sure. There you go.
There is no picture of this one on our. There's Series 3, Series 4. Let me see what this
Very
one's.
cute. And you can see they look like a potato,
It's
the
like a
old school Mr. Potato Heads. And they open kind of similar to the potato heads. But
Oh, that one's actually like a mystery. That one's a mystery.
of course it is.
Potato
Because
head.
that's how we roll. We get all the good mystery minis, don't we? Very, very cool. These are kind of fun so far.
Looks like kind of like a cupcake, I'm gonna say.
Let's keep rolling.
All right, let me.
Let's keep
try
rolling.
again.
There you go. We got 4 more. Are you still there? Hope you're hanging in there, folks.
Mystery mini mashup here at Sunshine Toys and Collectibles. This one is a duplicate. Same one. We got exclusive. We got a duplicate cupcake one. I wonder. Duplicate cupcake. I'm not going to put it together right now. We'll go to the next one. So an exclusive mystery one. Unreal.
Bad.
Yeah, no sense in putting him together. He's the one you just showed, right? You want to see him?
There he is again.
There he is again.
Okay.
Woo! Peel that tater, peel that tater.
Is it just me, or they do come off just like a regular, like if you were
Kinda, like you're feeling.
dang potatoes.
Put them together. Getting some of them are in packages, some of them are not in packages. Okay, we got his feet. His arms. And almost there.
Almost there, almost there, almost there. And here we have the destructions.
What you got?
Again, Potato Head Tots Mystery Minis. And which one do
It's this
we
one right here.
have?
The Series 4.
Series 4. So that one right there. And let me show. Very cute. So cute.
These are so fun. Okay, I did already open my other one. So here we go.
Nice.
Peel it open. Oh, it's another cupcake cone.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's kind of weird.
kind of weird.
Kind of weird that we've got.
But still, gosh, they're cute.
We'll stick those again. in an upcoming maybe mystery box giveaway, or
Maybe I'm the only one out there that likes the potato heads, but gosh, dang, do I love the potato heads.
loves your potato heads. So.
All right, the last one, right? Something new.
Another cupcake one?
Another cupcake one. Oh, real. That's very strange. I wonder if that's why maybe they're at Five Below.
I'm not sure, but we got so many.
We did really well.
So
though.
many
Yeah.
awesome,
Can't complain.
awesome ones tonight.
Can't complain. We got 3 new tater heads that we did not have. We got Iron Man. We got Vision. We got Black Widow, and of course,
Captain.
we got the Cap.
We got
What
our
else?
Buzz and Woody and Forky.
We got Exclusive B. We got Sam Wilson.
We got our Mr. Potato Head Bag Club.
Nice.
We got our
Nice.
Jessie.
Very cool. Very
And
cool.
our Buzz Lightyear.
So much fun. So much fun. Well, we hope you enjoyed it, right?
I know I did. I had an awesome time. awesome.
Awesome.
I'm opening our mystery man. Please excuse me.
If you like the tater heads and you want one of the exclusive tater heads, send us a message. We'll be happy to send you one of the exclusive tater heads. I'm Brian.
And Julie.
Thanks as always for checking in Sunshine Toys and Collectibles. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you next time on Captain's Corner, I believe, right? All right, folks. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Bye.